Hi mga bebe ko, another day, another vlog. Today is the 5th of July and time check, it's already 12:15. We have a meet up at Jimmy Mall with baby girl's friends and classmates. Oh sheesh, I forgot the thingy. The box.
Oh,
Do I bring it or no?
I think maybe next time.
Oh, wala nang next time. Iba na classmate mo next year. Wait, ipakuha ako kay kuya. Pakuha ko kay kuya. Oh shush, I don't have my key as well. Oh, diba epic fail ang Mudra Kels. Oh, Mikle.
Ano no?
Mikle usi mo wallet. Mong portafeuille. Buti na lang nakalimutan ko yung gift ng Geneva. Kasi nakalimutan ko din pala yung susi Ebels. Epic fail. Eto, at saka yung susi.
You're even vlogging this for that.
Oo. Do you want something? Ito, kailangan ko itong dalhin kasi baby girl wants to give away to the friends. Wala ba tayong bag? Kasi ang laki nito. I need something na easy to carry. I was wondering bakit namumula yung ko, yung around ng lips ko. Naalala ko si Habi pala. Ginulo niya nung hinalikan niya ako. Kaloka. Buti nakita ko dito sa camera. So ayan, drive mode muna ako mga besh. We are near anyway, so ayun.
Where they're a little expensive.
Yeah. Ayun, hawak na ni baby girl. Anong laman, anak?
There's some puppets and some stuff.
Lang, nakaupo lang sa bahay ng mga gamit. So yeah, we're heading there to Adventureland. Nandun na yung mga Mama Ebels. Medyo hiningal ako kasi doon sa parking, I helped this guy. Ala, talagang sore talaga yung throat ko kasi nararamdaman ko na sa boses ko. Ala, sana naman di ako magkasakit. Kaloka. Bien, Geneva. On va payer. Nandun na sila, oh. Yeah. I put 2 hours. Oh. How are you, my Nas? Good? Nagdala lang siya ng extra socks para hindi na ako bumili.
She have kids and want to be together.
Ayan, naglalaro sila.
But now last year she don't have. Yes, now she.
Arabic pala dito sa side ng English.
I need this. Like 1 week different, or sometimes early, sometimes after.
Dito kami sa Joe and the Juice.
Only coffee.
Yeah, she wants croissant. I don't know what to get. That's it. I have some snacks. Ayan, ang saya-saya ng mga bata. For the bonding sila. Hindi ako makakagulag kasi hindi natin include ang So, ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Max. Nagtitingin-tingin lang kasi si baby girl at saka yung friends niya ayaw pa nila maghiwalay. Kaya naantay ko muna. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Oh, you're gonna miss them? You're gonna miss? Okay, bye-bye. Grabe, nakakaloka to si Habi. Babalik daw kami sa Dubai bukas. Namimihasa. May nakalimutan kami sa French Embassy. Hindi naman niya kasi klinaro na dalawa pala yung Oh, you have dalawa pala yung kukunin. Aside from the passport, also the national ID, France national ID. So, epic fail. Babalik tayo. Sabi ko na nga ba, macho-challenge ang person sa driving. But what to do? It is what it is. Ilaban natin mga bebe ko. Agahan namin bukas mga 8:30. Inshallah. I have a lot of things to do. Grabe, ang bilis ng araw. Right? Guys, medyo nagpo-full na naman yung phone ko. Kaya I will definitely edit this one. Tapos, mag-delete. So, different na lang ulit tayo. Vlog mamaya. Kaya, push. Thanks for watching. See you next vlog. Bye. Mwah.